Lesson 7. Interrogative pronouns. In the very beginning of this module, we have studied that there are different ways of asking this basic question, how are you? And some of the other possibilities begin with different interrogative pronouns. So let's go and let's take a look at the basic ones that we can use in the language. Here we go and start with what. For example, what is it? Pointing at something that we do not know. Then we have where. Where are you? I don't know the location where you are. Okay. Then we can ask who. Who is it? If we do not know a person, it's only to talk about people. Then when. When is English class? When we don't know the time. How are you? Which is the basic question of this module. Which is the best? When we don't know what to choose, for example, then we ask which one, this one or that one, is the best. And why? Why is she sad? When we want to ask about the reason. These are the basic interrogative pronouns that we need to know to move on with the next modules.